Welcome to the School Garden Network series. Today's lesson is caring for your garden. We will be talking about proper care techniques and bugs, keeping in mind that we are trying to keep our garden healthy. Let's visit the garden and find out more about what it takes to keep your garden healthy. First, we must identify what we've grown this season. As a review, we have grown 3 different vegetables over the course of these workshops. Those vegetables are Swiss chard, lettuce, and radish. Each plant has different needs to provide us with healthy and nutritious produce. However, before we jump into those individual vegetables, let's go over some general caregiving techniques that all vegetables need. Watering. As a reminder from last lesson, seeds, seedlings, and adult plants all get watered differently. Seeds are watered with a gentle mist every day. Seedlings require a deeper water, but every other day. Adult plants will need an even deeper watering, but about every few days between each session. When you plant outdoors, you will also have to keep an eye on the rain, as you don't want to overwater your vegetables. Next, we have weeding. What is a weed? A weed in the garden is just a plant that is out of place. Controlling the amount of weeds in your garden will allow your vegetable plants the ability to grab more sunlight, water, air, and nutrients from that soil. Control methods can be as simple as pulling them by hand, putting a natural layer of mulch around your garden, or placing a version of a fabric around your plant. Remember, keeping your weeds down will allow for a healthy and disease-free vegetable. Lastly, an important aspect to understand is plant protection. Some seeds and seedlings need a little extra support from their gardeners. The wind, rain, and sun can be harsh on younger plants. Protect these plants with recycled plastic bottles or cardboard placed around the base. As younger plants get older, during colder months, we can cover our plants with a light fabric to keep the soil warm. During the summer months, another thin fabric can keep certain insects from eating our plants. We can assist vegetables that grow tall with a trellis system so that they can climb to their potential. Now, let's speak on the specifics of the vegetable plants we listed earlier. Swiss chard and head lettuce are usually planted as seedlings. Seedlings need a deeper water than seeds. Because they are seedlings, they have a head start on some weeds, but you must keep that area clear. Swiss chard and lettuce need limited support, but will need help combating bugs. Radish seeds need much less water. Only gently mist the seed as you plant. As it grows, you can begin to water deeper, but still less than Swiss chard or lettuce. Keeping the weeds clear is essential for radishes to survive. Radishes also need help keeping the bug levels low. Now that we've given the plant support, let's talk about bugs. Identifying bugs is important because there are bugs that eat our produce and there are bugs that help us. We divide bugs into unwanted bugs and good bugs because it gives us a better idea how the season will go forward. Let's go over some good examples of unwanted bugs and good bugs. Some of the more common unwanted bugs are aphids, cabbage worms, and slugs. The best way to control these bugs are stepping into your garden to pick the bugs off by hand, wash them away with a hose, or spray a safe insecticidal soap. There are more unwanted bugs that can damage your vegetables, so always keep an eye on your garden. Remember, healthy plants are the best start in battling any bug. The most important things to remember are what is least toxic to you, what the specific bug you are targeting is, and what is least harmful to the environment. A few of our good bug friends are lady beetles, praying mantis, and spiders. Each of these specific bugs develops by eating the unwanted bugs. Again, there's a number of good bugs that can help you in your garden. Planting flowers that are rich in pollen and nectar will bring a population of good bugs into your garden. These plants will also bring in bugs to help pollinate your vegetables, which will in turn give you produce. Great job! You've made it through another lesson of learning in Fulfill's School Garden Network series. We hope that you received enough knowledge to move on to harvesting your garden.